Hey everyone, welcome back to the Treehouse Garden. It's Kimberly here. The temperatures have been dropping, the rain has been falling, and it's definitely winter in the garden. I wanted to do a quick little check-in and show you how things are going in my garden, and I'd love to hear how things are going in yours. Thanks for joining me today at the Treehouse Garden. Let's start the tour by checking out my new Olle beds. So these haven't been planted yet, but you'll notice there's something in the middle. I created a DIY worm composting fertilization system that I'm going to showcase soon, so watch for that video. But I thought we would check out the Olle bed that I planted a little bit ago. And you can see some of my arugula is coming up and some peas are coming up. The rain kind of unearthed a few of them, so I need to work on that. It's hard to see, but there is spinach, and hard to see, but we have little baby endive coming up. No carrots on the other side so far, but everything's looking good. So my raised bed garden beds don't look so pretty right now. They look kind of ghostly. That's because I have some plastic protecting them from the cold weather, and unless it gets really hot, I've been leaving this plastic on and things have been doing really well. So let's open one up and check it out. So I found these cool clips at the Dollar Tree and they work really great. So let's pull back one of the plastic things here. Just enough to kind of peek inside. Ooh, that looks really nice. So I have some beautiful cabbage growing nicely. Let's check out another bed. All right, let's check out this one. Just kind of unclip it. Let's see if we can pull it back. Oh boy. Ooh, this looks really nice in here. So I've got some turnips and I have some radishes. I have some bok choy that definitely need to be picked and eaten. And I have some beets coming up. So seems like my little method is working. Of course, I'm still planting the traditional way in the garden in my rows as always. And I thought I'd show you. Ignore the weeds, please. This row is looking fabulous, and it is cabbage and spinach and peas. I haven't introduced you to my new garden ladies. These are my guinea fowl, Keats, and I need to do a video about them because wonderfully enough, I have them sticking around and they haven't taken off so far. They're really good about eating ticks. Well, thanks so much for joining me for this quick little check-in here at Treehouse Garden. I hope that you had a great Thanksgiving and you're enjoying some time when it's not too cold out in your garden. Thanks for joining me again, and don't forget to seed the day.